Hey guys, it's Lisa from Lisa Renews Life. I got off work a couple hours ago and thought I would try to take the van out for my second visit, or second trip. I have had it for 2 weeks as of this past Wednesday, and this is my second time out in it. I am in Wilson's Creek Gorge in North Carolina. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning, gonna be chilly, and I'm in a day use only area. We'll see if I get kicked out. The place I was going to go was closed for the season, so I'm here. But check out this view. It is so gorgeous. Hold on. So this is Wilson's Creek area. I don't know if you can see the creek down there. It's beautiful. You can hear the falls. It is absolutely stunning. And I think we're gonna try to stay here tonight. And then we'll walk down the steps tomorrow and kind of do one of the little trails down here with the pups. So pretty. But to be honest, I'm a little nervous. There's a lot of vehicles going by, which is kind of freaky. I'm in a little dirt road in the national forest. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Good morning. We're sitting in the van. And we just woke up. I'm using my sweatshirt as a pillow. Oh, look at my baby girl. Not the best night's sleep, but my first night's sleep in an area that I wasn't sure I could camp in. And that's really the bottom line. This is a day use only area. And so I was a little freaked out last night. But I survived. I'm happy. It's you. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Yes. Check out the beautiful Wilson's Creek Gorge. The sun's coming up. It's actually been up for a while, but it won't hit the gorge for a little bit. So beautiful.